Hey guys, it's Laura. I just wanted to pop on and do my first video. It's been a topic that has just been really near and dear my heart lately, and I just wanted to share a tidbit with you that I've been thinking about and learning a little bit about. How many of you feel like this summer you have let yourself go a little bit? Maybe it's, you've just given yourself kind of some permission to not do your makeup as much, or you aren't going to the gym or getting active, or maybe you've just been indulging a lot in dessert or in bread if you don't eat bread, or it's that coffee time, you're having a cookie with your coffee every day. I don't think indulgence is necessarily a bad thing. I think for me at least, I find I can get into the habit of being complacent or the habit of being lazy, where I stop going to the gym, or I have that cookie every day rather than maybe just once a week or once every couple weeks, or I have dessert every day, and not like a healthy dessert like fruit, but I'll have like something that's going to cause my my blood sugar to kind of spike. So I've realized kind of over the last little bit of summer that I've been doing that. And you avoid the scale, you don't want to get on because the pounds have creeped on, like not a lot, but maybe 5 or 10 pounds have gone back on. And I don't know how many of you find that, but for me, I've been finding that, and I've been noticing that. And so this is just kind of a reminder for you that that's okay. It happens to all of us, especially as we enter maintenance or as we enter that kind of plateau phase. It's okay that happens. And so really what I want you to think about is, how do you kind of reset yourself? How do you take a beat? And how do you change those habits that you want to change? And don't think about changing a couple habits at a time. Just focus on one a week, because if you change one habit every week, or if you work on one habit every week, it's 52 habits a year. Even if you change one habit every 3 weeks, you're still changing a ton of habits. Even if you do one every 2 weeks, that's still 26 habits in a year that you've worked on. So for me, I know that I've been eating a lot more dessert, a lot more kind of specialty coffees. I've been guilty of going to Starbucks a lot more this summer. So it's cutting back on that, or it's just going and having black coffee with a splash of milk, not having, a decaf vanilla latte. So, or it's making my coffee at home. Or it's not having that cookie and coffee. It's kind of breaking that habit, or it's having some fruit when I have a coffee or something. So it's just changing that habit. So you want to kind of think of how can you replace maybe something that you're doing with something that you already have. But anyways, just a quick thought for you, just something that I've noticed. Change is possible. But yeah, just totally a quick idea for you. All right, take care. Have a great day, guys. Bye.